Hello, Chris. That was really, really great stuff that you did. Um, you really know pretty much where you need to be as far as your G major modes and the E pentatonic positions and modes. I like what you were doing there. The C, the C major. We're going to work on a little bit more all the different positions on the C major, as well as the A pentatonic. We're going to work on that. Autumn Leaves, that was really good. We already kind of figured out whatever the glitch was. I want to make sure that you know that, don't forget that there are a few repeats in here. Okay, so the one repeat comes after the second verse. You know, we have we have from here to here. We're going to repeat. You can omit these two, the A sharp and the B. You can omit that when you repeat it. You just go right back there and just kind of play from here to here. You can add those two notes if you want to repeat it. It's gonna sound a little bit different. It's just kind of tricky in the way that you play it. Um, Once you go through this, once you repeat it, you're gonna go um, you're gonna go through and you're going to play. Um, yeah, I think that's the only place that will be kind of tricky for you is this spot here. Um, and then you start over, you start again, and you go through the song. Um, Again, that song is in the key of G, so you're gonna put your pentatonic and your major scales and the modes to work, and try to mix them together to come up with something really nice, and you can. Um, all right, we're gonna hit up on the C major scale patterns, the modes from your sixth string. Okay, I'm just gonna call them out, and I think what we should do at this point is let's start calling out the notes instead of the fret numbers. I'm gonna do a little bit of both right now, but in the future, in the near future, I want to start just calling out the notes. All right, so it'll help you to get more familiar with the theory. Um, okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Okay, we played the C major scale on the sixth string on your eighth fret. Okay, so that's your first mode. All right, you have that. Your second mode is going to be on the D, right? And you're going to play it. All right, so you have D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. Right? And the numbers are 10, 12, 13, 10, 12, 9, 10, 12, 9, 10, 12, 10, 12, 13, 10. That's that. Okay. That was your second mode. Your third mode is going to be yeah, that's going to be okay. So that's going to be E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. Okay. And then that the notes there, or the numbers of the frets, are going to be 12, 13, 15, 12, 13, 15, 12, 14, 15, 12, 14, 15, 12, 14, 12, 12, 13, 15, 12. Okay. So that is the third mode. And the fourth mode, you're actually doing the same as the third mode. You're just going to start on your 13th fret. Okay, so that will be, you're starting off on the F, right? So the F would be, you're going to start off 13, right? 13, 15, 12, 14, 15, 12, 14, 15, 12, 14, 12, 13, 15, 12, 13. That's all you're doing. Okay. And you could take a guess at the notes with that. So you're going to have F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. That's it. All right. Yeah, you could play that. You could play that in your first position too. How would that look? All right. Yeah. All right. Let me see if I get this right. So, first fret, and then third fret. Yeah, first fret, third fret on your sixth string. Open 2, 3, open 2, 3, open 2, and then you can go open 1, 3, open 1. Okay. And then so that would have been your F. So your F is your fourth mode. And then your fifth mode is a G, and so that would be 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 4, 5, 3, 5, 6, 3. Or the 6 is an F. You can hit the F on your first fret of the first string, slide your finger to the G, and that's also the same thing. So 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 4, 5, 3, 5, 1, 3. All right, so that's G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's what that is. And then, and then we have, all right, so that's your fifth mode, and your sixth mode is your natural minor. And you already know that's 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 5, 6, 8, 5. We know that one. Now your seventh mode is also, if you looked at the chart, week 3, the chart of the scales and the modes, like the C, D, F, G, A, B, C, D, and then it starts with D, and then it starts with E. If you look at that chart and you see how I wrote the chords somewhere in there, like if you extract 1, 3, and 5 of each of those patterns, you're going to get the chords. If you look on that, when you get to the seventh mode, that's whatever chord you get, that's called your diminished. That's a diminished position right there. Okay, so this seventh mode is going to be as follows. You're going to do it'll be 7, 8, 10, 7, 8, 10, 7, 9, 10, 7, 9, 10, 8, 10, 7. All right. 7, 8, 10, 7, 8, 10, 7, 9, 10, 7, 9, 10, 8, 10, 7. All right. So that's B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. All right. Now, the cool thing about this, it's the same idea as when we did the seventh mode in the G. All right. The only and that's basically all. The only difference is you're starting in a different spot. Okay. So what I actually did is the C major scale, right? I just started off on the 7th fret. I hit the 7th fret before I did the actual scale. Just think of it that way. It'll make it easier, because your next mode is the 8th, which is actually the first mode. The 8th and the first are the same thing. So it takes us right back to the C major scale in its entirety. So it's 8, 10, 7, 8, 10, 7, 9, 10, 7, 9, 10, 8, 10, 7, 8. And that's your C major scale. So that's your 8th mode and the first. Okay, so we have that. Your pentatonics. Okay, I'm just going to go through. I'm not going to say the names of the notes, just the frets. Okay, we have the 8 pentatonic. That's 5, 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5, 8. First mode. Second mode is 8, 10, 7, 10, 7, 10, 7, 9, 8, 10, 8, 10. All right, that's your second mode of the pentatonic. Third mode is 10, 12, 10, 12, 10, 12, 9, 12, 10, 13, 10, 12. 10, 12, 10, 12, 10, 12, 7, I'm sorry, 10, 12, 10, 12, 10, 12, 9, 12, 10, 13, 10, 12. Okay? The next one is going to be your fifth mode. Fifth mode, right? So 1, 2, 3, fourth mode. Fourth mode. That is starting on the E or the 12th fret. That's going to be 12, 15, 12, 15, 12, 14, 12, 14, 13, 15, and then 12, 15. 12, 15, 12, 15, 12, 14, 12, 14, 13, 15, 12, 15. That's what that is. All right, so that's your fourth mode. Your fifth mode. Fifth mode is going to be here. 3, 5, 3, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5. That's it. And then it goes to your sixth mode, which is the same as your first mode when you're dealing with pentatonics. It's the same. So 8 pentatonic, 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5, 8. All right. If you wanted to do your the third mode, if you wanted to do that one, that's when we did the 12, 15. You could also do it here. Yeah, I just kind of get mixed up on this one. Sometimes I hit a open string on the second string, so you don't have to do that. So it's, and that's what you're going to do is open 3, open 3, open 2, open 2, 1, 3, open 3. That's it. Okay, so those are all the positions that you can do, all the modes for your 8 pentatonic. Those are all the modes for, and before that was all the modes for the C major scale in order, right? Know the numbers, know the notes. The idea behind knowing the numbers and then the notes is I'm going to then pass along some notes where you can see those notes on the manuscript paper. And you just get a better understanding of what we're looking to do and how those patterns look, right? Because the autumn leaves, that's, you're doing basically what, the idea, right? But I want you to see the breakdown of the notes, how those things look when you're doing your modes and stuff like that. It's kind of neat, and you can come up with some different ideas too. All right, so thank you very much. If you have any questions, Chris, just leave me an email or leave a comment below. All right, thank you very much, and keep trucking, man. You really sound good. All right, have a good one. Bye bye. God bless.